Hello fighters, another combo, yeah, 1, 2, yeah, let the bag swing back and forth, yeah, so 1, 2, so let the bag swing back and forth, parry his strike, so pretend this is a strike coming towards you, so parry it, parry, so parry it outside and counter it, alright? You can do either way, yeah, parry outside, boom, always outside, yeah, with this one, you can do inside, but you'll be in the danger zone, so try your best to parry outside, so demonstrate, 1, 2, let the bag swing back and forth, parry his shot, and then boom, yeah, I think I should use a glove for that. Alright, so let the bag swing back and forth. Boom. Yeah. Do it both hands. Boom. Yeah. In a real fight, it will be fast. So do it slow. So you're immune to this shot. Okay, so let me try that again. To let the bag go back and forth. Yeah, pretend this is a strike. When it comes towards you, parry it outside and then strike. Yeah, and then I'm going to give you a demonstration. It's going to be like this: back and forth, parry outside, then strike. Yeah. Do it with both hands as well. 1, 2, parry outside. Alright, keep your guard up, because that could hit back just like a punch.